Hi, welcome to this video class. This is Pravina here to teach you class 6 science lesson 8 body movements. Before moving on to the lesson, you just sit absolutely still and try to observe the movements that takes place in your body. You might observe that you blink your eyes time to time, and you also observe the movements that takes place in your body when you take a deep breath. And if I ask you to write something on a piece of paper, so which body part do you use? So is there any movement in your body? Yes, so try to observe the movements that takes place. And also, if your mother asks you to go to a grocery shop and bring something, so what do you people do? You just walk, run, skip, jump and move from one place to another. So when you are constantly sitting in one place, there are many movements that takes place in your body. At the same time, when you move from one place to another, you can see many movements that takes place in your body. So here is an activity for you. You just try to fill this. Observe the movements that takes place in animals. So here I have mentioned few names of animals. So try to write down the body parts used by them for moving from one place to another and how does the animal move. For example, cow, it uses its leg and it uses its legs to walk from one place to another. So in such a way, try to mention the body part used by this particular animal and how does the animal move. So walk, jump, run, fly, creep, crawl, slither and swim. These are only a few ways in which animals move from one place to another. So why are there so many differences in the way that animals move from place to place? And why is it that many animals walk while a snake slithers or crawls and a fish swims? So in this lesson, you are going to seek answers to those questions. Let us move on to the lesson now. Human body and its movements. Let us look at some of our own movements to begin with. So this is also an activity. You just try to lie down and rotate your leg at the hip. Bend your arm at the elbow and the leg at the knee. Stretch your arm sideways. Bend your arm to touch your shoulders with your fingers. And notice which part of your arm did you bend. So these are all the activities that you people have to perform. Yes. Straighten your arm and try to bend it downwards. Are you able to do it? Yes. Now the movements in your body. So here are the different body parts. And also you just write the movement whether it rotates completely or whether it rotates partly. Does it bend? Can we lift that body part or does not, whether that body part does not move at all. So here is an activity for you people. Try to fill it. So the body part is neck. Does it rotate or does it rotate partly? In such a way, try to fill the complete box. So why is it that might you have noticed that you are able to move a few parts of your body easily in various directions and some only in one direction? So why are we unable to move some parts at all? So what is the reason for it? So here is another activity. So as such in the figure, you people try to take a scale lengthwise of your arm and try to tie and see that the scale, your elbow is in between the scale and try to tie the scale and now try to fold your hand at the elbow. Are you able to do it? If not, why? Did you notice that we are able to rotate or bend our body in places where two parts of our body seems joined together in the places like elbow, shoulder or neck. So these places are called as joints. You just press the fingers against the top of your head, face, neck, nose, ear, back of the shoulder, hands and legs, including the fingers and toes. Do you get a feeling of something hard pressing against your finger? So what these parts are? So this video completely you have to perform all the different activities mentioned in the video, and in the next video you are going to learn what the different joints are. So these hard structures in your body, you call them as bones. Bones cannot be bent. Then how do we bend our elbow? So what is the reason? How can we bend our elbow? Is it a different bones which are joined at our elbow? So there are different types of joints in our body to help us carry out different movements and activities. So let us learn about these joints in our next video. Thank you.